I'm gonna talk a problem that is we find in every time that a robot is doing a task when we do not control the environment condition. And this issue is what we call uncertainty, solving perception uncertainty problems in robotics. Okay, this is one of big issue in our robotics solutions in different problems. We will see here different problems. Okay, first I will talk about problem statement, then solving perception uncertainty using probabilistic models, that is the ones that we use typically in robotics, and using the same, but also with supervised or unsupervised learning models in the loop. Okay, that is what I'm trying to explain here. Well, the first is the problem statement. There is robot environment are inherently unpredictable. Robot environment. The uncertainty is particularly high for robot operating in the proximity of people. Why? Because usually the people has their own behavior. They don't expect, they expect to do what they want to do, not what the robot is doing, but what they want to do. And then when a person is in front of a robot, then the person can move away, can change the position, orientation, can go up to the robot, whatever. Another issue is sensor limited in what they can perceive, and they are subject to noise. This is very typical in many applications, as we will see. Robot actuation involves actuators, motors, motion elements, wheels, legs, which produce sometimes unpredictable movements. For example, the reckoning of many others than usually happens. And robot tasks with people are inherently unpredictable due to the previous topics and the people task behavior. Okay, that is what we find. Okay, here I want to show some robotics challenge that we have already been used to because we are trying to solve them. We are not solving that. We solve part of them. And I'm going to show some of the problems that we found in our projects, research project that we have in our institute, okay? Then the first is very typical, is robot location navigation. This is inside of a European project that was ubiquitous robotics in urban settings, okay? And this is a typical, there is a robot that is called Dabo. We have one is called TV and the other Dabo. TV Dabo is the place that you see here in Collserola, in the hills in the Collserola. And then we have made a couple that are not exactly the same, but